beautiful sunny day and I'm looking to do something a little bit different today. I'm Eliza and I am here at the ATV Adventure Park Kuala Lumpur, and we are going to be riding these all-terrain vehicles and going to see a beautiful waterfall at the end of a very rough road, I was told. There's going to be rocks, mud, hills, leeches. So we are about to start our training right now and I'm really excited.
Now, Mas Faisal, the owner of this park, is briefing us on the safety procedures and the proper techniques for riding an ATV. This is the ATV Adventure Park located at Kampong Kemensa, Ulu Kelang. It's the largest of its kind in Malaysia and offers various jungle trails for outdoor enthusiasts and all-terrain riders. The journey from Kuala Lumpur to the park took me around 15 minutes to drive. It was a very scenic drive and immediately I felt like I was transported deep into the jungle. ATV, or all-terrain vehicles, is also known as a quad bike. It is a vehicle that travels on 4 low-pressure tires with a seat that is straddled by the operator, along with handlebars for steering and control.
I still want to be pretty at the end of this.
Next, we get a chance to practice riding on our designated bike around the training grounds. We rode a few times until the trainers felt we were able to tackle the real terrain. Now the fun begins. Our ride will take approximately 45 minutes, and at the end of the journey, we will reach a waterfall where we will have our picnic lunch. 2 guides, Halim and Iwan, will be escorting us. Riding the ATV was awkward at first, but after a while, it's just a breeze. Entering the jungle and riding on the muddy terrain makes the journey much more interesting. On the rough terrain, the guide instructs us to ride about 10 meters apart for safety. This is definitely the coolest way to travel in the jungle. From a distance, I could hear the sound of water gushing, overpowering the sounds of our ATV. We have arrived at our destination, the waterfall which the locals call Sophia Jane Waterfall. It's an amazing view from down here, the cascading waters crashing on the boulders beneath, creating a cool mist. Before lunch, Alim points out and offers to pick a wild fruit for us to taste. It's quite sour but surprisingly refreshing. I liked it, but others did not. So luckily, I have packed ingredients for a great sandwich and bananas for everyone. It's definitely a great spot to enjoy my lunch and unwind after the ride. After cooling down, it's time to head back to base. The journey out is as fun as the journey in, but I'm feeling a bit tired.
We're back here at the base. This was something that you have to definitely experience because it's just on the border of Kuala Lumpur and it's as though you're in a jungle oasis. I'm Eliza and you are watching
ThrilllingAsia.tv.
That's right, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah!